What's going on, everybody? I am Eric. Welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2022 Mazda CX-5. This is the turbo engine. We're going to replace the engine air filter today. Changing your engine air filter will ensure that your car is running as efficiently as possible and get you the best mileage as possible. This is a general maintenance item that you should be at least inspecting every 6 to 12 months. This is a very beginner-friendly job. It takes only a few minutes of your time. Only basic hand tools are needed, and you'll save yourself some money versus going to a shop or the dealer to have them replace this. Any of the CX-5 turbo models should take the same filter. If you don't have a Mazda, that's okay. This process is going to be very similar no matter what car you drive, so stay tuned even if you're not a Mazda owner. Let's take a look. All right, so the first thing we need to do is just pop the hood. It's very easy. And just down below, right here, there's going to be a pull lever with an icon of the hood. Pull it towards you and the hood will pop. Next, you have to go to the front of the car. And you'll see that the hood is only partially popped. Pull it up a little bit with your fingers. Right here in the center of the hood, just above the emblem, there's a latch for the hood. Pull up, and there's a latch here. Pull it to the right, and your hood will open. The hood prop is right here. Pull this up, and there's an arrow pointing where it needs to go on the hood. Looking at the engine bay, the air filter is going to be just behind the headlight on the driver's side. It's going to be this box right here. If you don't have a Mazda, the easiest way to tell is that there is going to be some type of an intake tube, a large tube going towards the engine. The box that's connected to it is the air filter. So let's go ahead and get that open and get it replaced. So this car is not going to require any tools to replace this filter. If we look down, we can see there's a clip here, and there's another here. All you have to do is pull these out. So after you pull those two clips, the airbox top comes up. And of course, your air filter is right below. Here's a look at the filter. The large lip goes on the top, narrow towards the bottom. And this is my used filter. And this one is not bad, so I'm actually not going to replace this today. There's no debris. It's mostly white. It's a good shape filter yet. Imagine this is a new filter. All you do, place it back inside. There are a couple tabs on the back of the box that need to line up first. It goes in this way. And then you just pull your clips back on. And that's it. So this is one of the easiest jobs that you can do for your car. The filter will probably only run you $10, $15, maybe $20 online. I'll have a link in the description to this one for the Mazda. I appreciate your support. So if we were to take this to a quick lube place or the dealership or independent shop, they might charge you $40 to $80 to do this. You just saw it only takes a couple of minutes, and this is one of the top things you can do to ensure that your engine is going to last as long as possible. Do this yourself, save some money, and learn something in the process. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave me a like or consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.